originating in a barn on the outskirts of Mansfield, Ohio. Gorman-Rupp has been at the forefront of the pumping industry since 1933. Founders J.C. Gorman and H.E. Rupp built the company on a simple yet powerful promise: to deliver superior products with better performance. Today, that promise remains the foundation of everything we do. Gorman-Rupp offers one of the most extensive selections of pumps and pumping equipment in the world. From self-priming centrifugal to submersible, priming assisted to rotary gear, our pumps are engineered to meet the demands of the most challenging applications. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, spanning nearly 1 million square feet, are equipped with cutting-edge technology and quality control processes. Every pump we produce is designed with maximum reliability, efficiency, and ease of maintenance in mind. At Gorman-Rupp, customer service is more than a department. It's a commitment. When you call us, you're speaking with a dedicated individual who understands your needs and is ready to help. Our inside sales team works closely with our production and manufacturing teams to ensure orders are processed quickly and accurately. Our global network of highly trained distributors further extends our commitment to customer support. Should you ever need replacement parts support, you'll have it fast. With one of the largest parts inventories in the industry, we'll fill and ship most part orders within 24 hours. In addition to pumps and repair parts, Gorman-Rupp offers a full line of ReliaSource packaged lift and booster stations. Each system is custom engineered, manufactured, and tested by our experts, guaranteeing long-lasting performance. With a variety of pumps, motors, controls, and enclosure options, ReliaSource stations arrive fully assembled and ready for immediate hookup to piping and power. As an ISO 9001 certified company, we are committed to continuous improvement, delivering the highest standards of quality in every product we make. We also take environmental responsibility seriously. Our operations meet ISO 14001 standards, reflecting our dedication to sustainability and minimizing our environmental impact. When you choose Gorman-Rupp, you're investing in more than just a pump. You're investing in decades of innovation, reliability, and industry-leading support. At Gorman-Rupp, a culture of excellence is the foundation of everything we do.